Hello guys, welcome to my channel, I'm Nick, and today we are installing Arch. And you might say, you already have Arch, Nick, and I'm gonna say yes, but I use something called Arch install, which is kind of a cheating way to use Arch. And I'm gonna be honest, I used Arch install a couple times and I never really tried to install Arch the real way, which is what we are doing today. The real install, it's 11 AM for me. I'm gonna see how much time it will take me. I'm gonna try to do it the best way possible. I'm going to try to explain what I'm doing, what I'm thinking. It's not a comprehensive guide, okay? I'm really not a professional about that. I never used the real way or used the real method to install Arch, which is what we are doing today. I'm going to do it on VirtualBox because I already have Arch installed with all my configuration presets, etc. And today I'm about to prove I'm a true Arch user or completely destroy my sanity in the process, but let's try that. Alright guys, we're back. So first, let's launch Firefox and type Arch install ISO. Alright. Arch Linux downloads. Let's go into friends because I'm French, which is here. Install the Time86. Yes, that's this one. Alright, I think it's installed. Let's check downloads. Yes, alright, we have it. Now let's set up a virtual machine. And we are in. Okay, so first I'm going to show you, but I have my best friend here, which is the Arch wiki. I don't know what half of this means, okay? I'm totally fucked. So first, let's select Arch Linux install. Oh yeah, don't show again. Yeah, I'm using VirtualBox, I said already, I think. And I'm kind of scared to try that. So let me put myself right in my chair. Alright. And we are in, I think. Okay. First we are going to load keys FR to have the... yeah, okay, perfect. I'm going to do... I'm following the guide, okay? So it's cat sys firmware /efi /fw cat sys. Well, okay. Connect to the internet. I think we already have internet. Ping google.com. Okay, we already have internet, which is perfect. Now let's time date ctl fdisk-l, so /dev/sda. Okay, so that's our disk. Perfect. So we do fdisk/dev/sda. We're going to add a new partition. Partition type primary 1, I guess. Okay. Last sector default, yes, perfect. Okay, now we do exit. W to write and exit, I guess. Now if you do lsblk, we have... I think it looks good. Oh right, I forgot to... So I think it's fdisk/dev/sda. Yeah, okay. We are going to... I think it's N. So we need to do packstrap -k /mnt base Linux firmware. Okay, it's installing. Hey, for now it's not that bad. Okay, I thought it was gonna be harder. Oh, could not open file. Oh, well. Oh, I think I needed some other things. Let's do pacman -s intel ucode. What? You know what? There's only one way. Alright guys, we are back. Second try. Let's try this. So create a host name. We're going to call it Arch Linux, I guess. To /etc/hostname. Hostname. Perfect. Now let's edit /etc/hosts. So tac, this is what we already have, localhost, okay. Now let's do 127.0.1.1 archlinux.local domain archlinux. So right and quit that. Now let's do password tac password updated successfully. Perfect. Alright, now the hard part. We're installing grub. So first pacman -s grub. We need looks like it worked. Okay. I'm not really familiar with grub. which is because I usually try to find tutorials online, so I never really took time to learn how grub really works. So this is completely copy and pasting. Okay, now let's do a grub make config. This I know, it's -o /boot /grub/grub.cfg if I remember. Grub.cfg. Yes, okay, perfect. Now let's create a user. So user add -m -g wheel -s /bin /bash. Let's call it nixo. Perfect. Let's do password nixo. Perfect. Ah, I skipped a line. Okay. Oh. Oh. Dumbass. Okay. Perfect. So now it looks okay. I think we have everything. Let me check back. Let's do vim /etc sudo just to check if it worked. Okay. Okay. Now let's exit. Let's unmount. So umount -r/mnt. And let's reboot, I guess. Let's do one hard disk. Arch Linux. Oh my god. I know, I think it's 2302. Oh my god, it works. Pacman -s neo fetch. Oh no, it's fast fetch because it's deprecated. Oh. Oh, I forgot to... Oh, am I not connected? Wait, let's just load... What? Okay. I think I'm just not connected. This IWCTL. Okay. Okay guys, I know how to do it. First we need to reboot, and you can say why? Oh, sudo reboot. Let's do F12. Let's do floppy. Wait. Oh, alright. Let's close it. How do I close it again? Stop. Power off. Alright, let's start it back. Alright. Perfect. So now if we do Arch Linux tac, Okay. We should still have our two. Yeah, perfect. So now let's just mount /dev sda1 to /mnt. Let's arch root in /mnt. Okay. Let's install sudo pacman-sy dhc no dhcpcd. Alright, we're going to install because I don't have internet, which is why let's do -s iwctl2. Oh, is it iwctl? Oh no, it's not what I need. It's th client. Okay. Now we should be okay. Let's install also a couple of things I need. So NeoVim. We're going to need. I think that's all I need really. NeoVim. Yes. Okay. And we're going to reboot. Oh, exit, reboot. To do F12, to do hard disk, Arch Linux. Ah, I forgot. I'm not in Nixo 2002. Sudo load keys fr. Okay, perfect. So now let's get back to what we need. Where is my command? First, let's do IP link to check if it's dhcpcd sudo dhcpcd okay, perfect. Okay, so first let's update. There's nothing to do, perfect. Let's install, I think we are going to go with, what do we want to go with? I think we're going to go KD. Yeah, let's go KD. So first, let's see, I need Xorg and Xorg-Xinit. Oh, -x Xorg. Let's do first one, I guess. Zack. Now let's install KD. So let's sudo pacman-s plasma and kd-applications. Yes, and yes. PySide, yeah, that's what I wanted. And alright, let's install that. It's not really lightweight, I'm gonna be honest. I know it's not lightweight, but it's just for the sake of the video. We're not here to use it as a daily driver. I'm just here to prove that I can install Arch. It's not that hard, actually, to follow a guide on the Arch wiki. Alright, let's install that. Alright, installed. Now let's grab SDDM. Let's enable it. So we do systemctl sudo systemctl enable network. No, not wrong line. sddm.service dash now. Yes, sddm. Oh, okay. Oh, it's 2302, and we should change that to French. Okay, we have the splash screen. Hey, welcome to KDE, to the Arch Linux operating system running KDE Plasma. Plasma is a free and open source desktop environment created by KDE, an international software community of volunteers. Okay, we're going to skip, alright. So, here we are in KDE. So if we do console, console, oh, okay, did not work. Let's just change our keyboard layout real quick. So enable, add, we do French, enable, apply. Okay, it did work. So now we do and we are in fucking Arch Linux, guys. So it did take a couple of time. Okay, it is 12:34, so it took about 1 to 2 hours, something like that. I'm really happy. Okay, I thought it was gonna be way harder. I think it's okay. I think we don't have even a Wi-Fi now, do we? No, I think we do because we just install fastfetch. I'm a dumbass. Okay, but we have Arch Linux. That's all, guys. I'm really happy. I hope you all enjoyed that little journey. I could say I suffered a little bit. Okay, we had some errors which we didn't know why. But I learned things, and which is really important for me because everyone should learn at least a thing or two. Maybe not Arch, maybe not Linux, maybe something else, maybe something that you like, something that makes you proud, something that helps you in life. I'm really happy I did it. I'm doing that so I can show people that I can at least do something in my life. I'm just really happy that I've done it. If you ever hear someone say, I use Arch by the way, now you know, it's not a pride, it's trauma actually. But hey, we did it, okay? We did it. I'm fucking happy. Goddamn. I'm really happy, okay? Thank you all. Thank you for staying at the end. I'm really happy you all stayed. It means the world to me. I'm starting on YouTube, so if you ever feel like you want to support me or do something like this, just consider following. Maybe drop a like or comments to say what you like or what you did not like about this video. I'll take every criticism, because I think that criticism are welcome. It's really a thing to be proud of, to have criticisms. So thanks you all for staying at the end. Stay tuned. I might do still some Unix based videos, maybe customizing Hyperland, customizing some other window managers, or just tips and tricks, maybe. Why not? Thanks you all. It was Nick. Have a great time. Live in peace. Ciao.